And we're getting some breaking news right now. Devendra Fadnavis, Nityanand Rai, Sanjay Jaiswal, Bhupendra Yadav and Tarkishore Prasad are meeting to discuss the induction of 5 more BJP ministers in the cabinet. The meeting is underway right now. Senior BJP leaders are meeting in Patna to talk about induction of 5 more ministers. We have Prakash joining us live right now. Prakash, we know that BJP has more seats in this alliance, and we definitely know that BJP wants to play the big brother role. Now that Nitish is the CM, BJP will definitely haggle on more cabinet berths in the Bihar government. So what are the details that you're picking up? What are the likely cabinet berths that BJP is going to ask for?
Well, as far as the cabinet induction is concerned, we have already aired about 9 ministers being sworn in. Of all the names are there: Bijay Chaudhary, Vijender Yadav, Mewalal Chaudhary, Ashok Chaudhary, Sheila Kumari from JDU. Then 2, Tarkishore Prasad and Renu Devi will be the Deputy Chief Minister. Of course, the BJP trying to send a message across to the backward community as well as the EBC community. BIP party, Mukesh Sahni as well as Santosh Suman of Jitan Ram Manjhi's son getting representation. And apart from that, the important meeting is right underway here in the BJP office. Devendra Fadnavis, Nityanand Rai, MOS Home, Sanjay Jaiswal, BJP State President, Tarkishore Prasad, the BJP Legislature Party Leader, and Bhupendra Yadav, the General Secretary in charge of the Bihar BJP, is meeting to discuss the induction of 5 more BJP ministers. We are told that Nandkishore Yadav, the senior BJP leader who was the road construction minister earlier, would be made the Speaker of the Bihar Vidhan Sabha. Other names which are possible are like Mangal Pandey, Prem Kumar, Rampreet Paswan, and 2 more ministers to be sworn into the BJP cabinet. The meeting is underway to discuss those, and the names would be sent to the Raj Bhavan for the swearing-in ceremony. In a few moments from now, we'll get to know about it.
Yes.
Back to you.
Yes, Prakash, and we trust you to get us more details about who's getting which cabinet seat. Thank you very much for joining us right now.